We are in Huntington, West Virginia. We are in the Guyandotte boat docks, right by the Ohio River. And there was a body found down here. It was a young female by the name of Jessica. And there have been so many bodies found in and around the Ohio River. So I'm going to use a spirit box and ask some questions. I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of voices come through, because like I said, throughout the years there's been many bodies found. So we're going to try a spirit box session. We might walk around. It's really cold. So let's get started. Oh, I'm shivering. Ooh. Hopefully, and it's a windy day. I've got my fur on my mic. Hopefully that will drown out the wind a little bit. Already a voice came through. Who's here with me? What's your name?
If you're gonna go.
Run if you're gonna go. Can you say that again? Who am I talking to?
Security?
Spirit? Yes. That's who I'm trying to communicate with. Did you die here? If so, how did you die? There's a car coming down here. This is a very dangerous area, or one of the dangerous areas in Huntington, so you just have to be careful when you're down here. Can I speak with the young woman that was found deceased down here this month? Is there a Jessica here? Investigate? Do they need to investigate your death? Yes. Was there foul play? Was there foul play? Did someone hurt you? How did you die? How did you die? Am I near where your body was found?
Straight.
Straight? Straight ahead that way? I just want to bring awareness. If there was foul play, please let me know. Did you overdose?
You'll have this. Have.
Are you near me? Hi, what's your name?
So she's not been fine.
Is there anyone else that would like to come through? Is there anyone that died here that would like to talk? Amanda? What happened to you, Amanda? Did someone hurt you? It is cold, yes. It's dark.
And
People driving by. I don't think it'd be a good idea to stay here much longer. I'm gonna turn this off now. Let's try the Necro app. Is anybody here with me? Yeah. Who's here? Me. What's your name? Leave? Do you think I should leave? What's your name? Can you tell me what happened? Was your death an accident? This is as quiet as I've ever heard it. It's not even working anymore. How weird is that? That's never happened to me before. I guess that's a good time to stop then. Well, thank you for communicating. So I'm gonna pan around, get a good shot, and then I will say a prayer and wrap it up. It's a busy day with traffic non-stop over, and then we got people driving by here, so a short but sweet video. I'm gonna pan it around. See, that's where you come in at. That's my car. That's where I was hearing noises. So to wrap it up, I'm gonna say my usual prayer. Please give a like, comment, and subscribe. Once we get to 500 subs, we will do a fun giveaway. So stay tuned, and thank you for being here. Eternal rest grant unto them, O Lord, and let perpetual light shine upon them. May the souls of all the faithful departed through the mercy of God rest in peace. See you next time.